Hi dear students, so here is an explanation video of this revision worksheet. So question number 1, what is the value of digit 4 in 452.96? So this is the value of the digit. This is from the topic place value. So we have a quick look at the place values. It's like this. If I write the number 123.45. Okay, this is an example. So before the decimal point, to the left side of the decimal point, you have already learned that this is in the ones place, so takes the value 3. This tens place, so two tens together, 20. And this is hundreds place, so its value is 100. Same like that. After the decimal point, to the right side of the decimal point, we call this place value 10th, and its value is 0.4 or just 0.4, we can say 0.4. And this place value is hundredths, so this value is 0.05 because there's a point, like there's a number, point, another number, then 5. Okay, so now get back to the question. Value of the digit 4. So here is 4. We can see this is ones, tens, hundreds. So it's 400. Similar question. What is the value of digit 7 in 74.6? Again check, this is ones, tens. So tens, 7D. Like that, when you see a number, check the place value and then decide the value of the digit. Next topic. So it's about the spelling of the numbers. Write 8.9 in words or write 12.8 in words. To answer this well, you should make sure that you know all the spellings of numbers at least from 1 to 20. So here 8.9 is 8, E-I-G-H-T, point 9, N-I-N-E. Also 12.8, so 12.8. So please make sure that you know all the spellings of the numbers. Now the next one, it's about hundredth and tenth. Just now we discussed. If it is tenth, it's just the number just after the decimal point, so 0.5. But if it is hundreds, it's the second number after the decimal point, so 0.07 or 0.01. So remember, if it is tenth, it's the number just after the decimal point. But if it's hundredth, it is the second number after the decimal point, so there will be 0 and the next number, like that. The next one is a very simple topic of addition subtraction, so make sure that you know the rules of the basic addition subtraction. If any student is struggling, you can simply, what you can do is download some addition worksheet from Google. If subtraction is difficult, download subtraction worksheets. You can just type subtraction practice grade 5. You will get enough worksheets, so take a printout or copy the questions and keep practice, because addition subtraction is a very important topic in maths. So we will see how to do this one. It's 3 numbers, addition and subtraction. So we will go step by step. First we will add these 2 numbers, 5, 8, 9, 4 plus 2, 1, 5, 4. We always start from the right to left, this order. So start from 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now 9 plus 5, it's 14. So we'll be writing 4 over here and 1 is a carryover. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and add the carryover, 9 plus 1 is 10. So put the 0 over here and again 1 carryover. and I'll add all these 3 including the carryover. You will be getting 8. So addition is done. Now what we have to do with this number, you need to subtract. It's 3645. Again, we will be starting from the right towards the left. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Now 0 minus 6. Be very clear that we cannot do subtraction from a smaller number because 0 is smaller than 6. So what we used to do is we always take a help from the nearby number. In this case, who is going to help? 8 will help. So while helping, 8 becomes 7 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, now so 10 minus 6 is 4 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So we are done with the answer. We go step by step to get the answer. Similar question, so we will start first the addition. 6498 plus 2145. You can also do one thing, you can pause the video, first you do the calculation and then play the video and check your answer. So 8 plus 5 is 13, put 3 here and 1 as a carryover. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so put 4 over here and 1 carryover. Again add all those, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. You can do slowly. Some students are using fingers for counting, some are put tally mark on the book and counting. It is up to you. Whichever way you are comfortable you can do. So make sure first you are doing, then you are watching the video. So next is subtraction from the answer. So 8643 minus 364. See, here only 3 numbers. So you have to write it properly because some students will start writing like this. They will be starting 364 like this, which is wrong. Okay, you have to make sure you are writing in the place value order because 4 is in the ones place, 6 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. So the writing order is also very important. Okay, now we will subtract. First 3 minus 4. We know 3 is a smaller number, so we cannot subtract 3 minus 4. So we take help from 4. So 4 becomes 3 and the 3 becomes 13. Now we subtract, you will be getting 9. Next is 3 minus 6. Again, a small number minus big number, so we need help of 6. 6 becomes 5 and 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 6 you will get 7. Now 5 minus 3 which is 2 and 8 just copy down. So we get the answer. Here is the answer and here is the answer. So addition subtraction, very important topic. Next one, evaluate the following. So you can see it's negative number addition subtraction topic. There are some students who are very good at dealing with negative numbers, so they already know how to handle it. The other students can make use of a number line to do this easily. So I'm just roughly drawing a number line. Okay, we have the number negative 9. So I'm just marking negative 9 here. So then going backwards, going forward, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3. We can do the same in our fingers also, but number line will be more easy. Negative 2, negative 1 and 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually we need till 14. 6, 7, I'll continue down, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Starting with minus 9, ending at 14, how many times we have to go? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let me see, did I miss any numbers? Okay, okay, starting from one more time I'm counting. Sorry, I think somewhere I missed the count. We'll do one more time. So we are going from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yeah, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. This movement we missed. So 23 times we are going to the right side to reach 40. How many times we are going? Just drawing a number line and finding it. We have one more question we will see, which is starting, we have to start with 5 and we have to reach till negative 12. So we will see another number line over here. 5 is a positive number, so I put in this side. So we need negative 12. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13. You can add more numbers, but till negative 12 is enough. So we are starting from 5, right? So starting with 5. Count with me, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 times we are moving. But this time, did we move to the right side or left side? We moved to the left side, so it's negative 17. Okay, we have already learned in the class, if you are moving to the right side, it's addition. If you are moving to the left side, it's subtraction, put minus. Okay, so again I'm repeating, there are some students, they know some tricks or they can follow whichever method is easy for you. This is the basic explanation for the students who are struggling with negative numbers. They can draw a number line, mark all these numbers, but mark properly. Negative numbers in the left side, positive numbers in the right side. Like that you have to draw in the number line. Okay, then you see how many times you have to move to reach the answer. Careful. Moving to the next topic. What is the fifth number you say when you count in 4 backwards from 35? So from 35. Okay, from 4 backwards. Backwards means you have to subtract. Be ready with 4 fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go backwards from 35. 34, 33, 32, 31. Again, 30, 29, 28, 27. All of you count with me. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. See, we can write so many numbers, but that is not needed. The question is demanding you, what's the fifth number from 35? So we will see first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. So the actual final answer is 15. You can continue as many as we can, no problem, but which is not needed. We need only the fifth number. Okay, So while doing, you can also check whether you reached the fifth number or not. So this was counting backwards. You can easily count with your fingers. Without fingers also, some students know how to do it, so that's fine. Okay, now we are moving to the next similar question. Here it's given, what's the fifth number you say when you count on 3 from negative 12. So from negative 12. And this time it's count on. So you are adding. Adding which number? Adding 3. So 3 fingers. Okay, so negative 12. You are adding, so negative 11, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3. Are you all counting with me with your fingers? Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We will see whether we reached fifth number or not. First number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. Yes, we got the answer 3. So you see here from where you have to start. Is it count on or count in backwards, and the which number? And also see which number you need, like fifth number or fourth number or sixth number. Then it's just a matter of use your fingers, either you plus or you minus. Okay, very simple topic. The next one, solve the following. So 12,700, then divided by and then multiply. So it's this topic. The topic is, I'll change the screen. So the topic is, you are multiplying with 10 or 100 or 1000, or you are dividing with 10 or 100 or 1000. So the trick is, when you I'll write, when you multiply with a 10 or with a 100 or with a 1000, the decimal point basically moves to the right side. If it's 10, it one time you move. If it's 100, 2 times you move to the right side. And if it's 1000, 1, 2, 3 times you move. And same in division. So division with 10, 100, 1000. If it's division, the decimal point, you move to the left one position. And if it's 100, you go twice to the left. And if it's 1000, move to the left 3 times. So we will see the question. Okay, so here the question is 12,570 you have to divide with 100. So currently there is no decimal point you can see to go to the left side. If there is no decimal point, which means it is at last. So division with 100 meaning what? 2 positions you move to the left side. So 1, 2, the point will be here. So write it here, 1, 2, 5.70. Okay, you can put the 0, you can avoid the 0, no problem. Better to avoid confusion, let it be there. So division with 100 is done. Now you need to multiply with 100. So the number I am just rewriting here. Now multiplying with 100. What we studied? Multiplying with 100 meaning the decimal point is moving to the right side. Here 2 zeros are there. So 2 times you move to the right side. So currently it is here 1, 2. It will become here 1, 2, 5, 7, 0, then point. Usually at last the point is not needed, so this is the answer. So only that point you remember. In division, move to the left side. In multiplication, you move to the right side. We'll see another example. 12,697 divided by 10. What is the rule? Division of 10, meaning one time you move to the left side. But you cannot see any point over here, which means it's at last, and move to the left side just one time. So it will be here. So 1269.7. Now the same number you will multiply. 1269.7 you have to multiply with 1000. Again, think of the rule. 3 zeros are there, so 3 times you have to move to the right side, right? I'll copy the number in another screen. So the number is 1 2 what was the number? 1269.7, and we are multiplying with 1000, meaning 3 times you move to the right side. Okay, so one time you can see there is no more number to move, but keep doing. Second time, third time, the point will come here, and wherever there was no number, put a 0. So now the point is not here, it's here. So 1269,700 is the answer. What we did, I will show you again. The number was 1269.7 and we were supposed to multiply with 1000. That means 3 positions the decimal point should move to the right side. Okay, the decimal point is here. We are moving one time, the number is over. No problem, continue. Second movement and third movement. Wherever there was no number, fill it. And now the decimal point will be here and not here. So 1269,700 is the number. Hope it is clear. So 1269,700. Okay, so only this rule. In multiplication, you move to the right side, whereas in division, you move the decimal point to the left side. If there is no decimal point, you think it's at last. Okay. Moving to the next topic. This also you can type in Google multiplication with 10, multiplication with 100, division with 1000. You can type the same topic. Enough worksheets you can download. So the students who are struggling with this topic, download some worksheets and practice. Now, question number 30. Regroup 135.789 in 2 ways. So the topic is regrouping. Okay, it's big number. There are many digits, so many ways we can regroup it. I will just show you the 2 ways. Always the first way, you decompose the number completely. So 1 represents 100, 3 represents 30, 5 represents 5 itself, 7 represents 0.7, 8 represents 0.08 because 8 is the second number after the point, and 9 is the third number after the point. So 0, 0, 9, third number after the point. This is normal decomposing. Normal, we can consider it as a first grouping. Okay, now one more way. I will just show you. There are many options. I will just show you one way. You collect all the number before decimal point. Also, you collect all the numbers after the decimal point. This is an easy way of regrouping. Again, I am telling there are enough ways. For example, you can consider 1 and 3 together, 130. You can take 5 separately. You can take 7 alone. You can take 89 together. There are enough ways of regrouping which I have learned in class. You can choose any 2 ways which is easy for you. Another example, regroup 896.147 in 2 ways. Okay, this time we will go for a different one. Okay, I would like to choose 800 and 96 together and 1 4 alone and then 7 as separate one. Any ways is okay, but make sure the place value is correct. Another way, this time I would like to choose 896 all together, but the decimals all separately. Okay, that is another way of regrouping. So make sure you are writing the place value correctly. Then you can arrange it in many ways. Anyway, if the place value is correct, your answer will be correct. And remember the topic name, it is regrouping. Because some students know how to do, but they don't understand the question. When you see the word regrouping, this is the topic, understand. And we are in the last topic, which is like a puzzle. Okay, picture puzzle to find out the value. So you can see there is a watermelon, there is a peach, and there is a banana. It's given three watermelons together, I mean three groups of watermelons together, 36. So you need to find out what will be the number of one set of watermelon. Again, some students, they will, by seeing itself, they will say the answer. Okay, because they are good at calculations. They will guess which number three times adding they get 36. But I am explaining this for those who are struggling with this topic. There are two ways you can find out. You just guess a number simply. Suppose one set is 10. Okay, so let me change the screen. So you are writing, you are thinking, is 10 plus 10 plus 10, are you getting 36? We will see. But when you add, you know it is 30. We are looking for 36. So try 11, 11, 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, and plus, so 33. We need again 36. Try 12. When you add them, you will get 36. Okay, that means 12 is the value. This is one way of trying. You just guess a number, you add it three times, or multiplication, depends on the question. Okay, another method is same number three times, right? So it's multiplication. You multiply with 3, are you checking you are getting 36? No. Try with 11, multiply? No. Try with 12? Yes. So 12 is the value. You can either try repeated addition or you can try multiplication, both same technique. Anyways, we get the value of watermelon set, which is 12. So 12, 12, 12. So that means here also 12, here is 12. Now it's peach. So it is given 12 plus a peach plus peach, 28. Actually, if 12 is already there, what's the remaining to reach 28? We can subtract. 28 minus 12. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 16. So this all together should be 16 because 12 plus 16 makes 28. And there is 2 peach. So you divide 16 equally. What's the half of 16? It is 8 and then 8. Okay, so first you check what's 28 minus 12, you get 16, and that 16, we cannot say one peach is 16, there are two peaches, there are two fruits, so both together 16, so it's half half. Okay, so this is 8 and then 8, so down also 8 and here also 8. Now the third line, 8 minus banana is 3. Simple, think 8 minus which number makes 3? 8 minus 5 is 3, right? So that's how so beginning clue alone, you have to be very careful. Like I said, either you try repeated addition or try multiplication. We will see one more question. Pause the video, first you try please, and then try for this. So here we go. There are 3 mangoes makes 15, and then another fruit. Okay, so like we said before, we will guess. This time I will try multiplication, okay, or addition, fine. I will see 4. You can try any number. 4 plus 4 plus 4. When I count, I am getting 12, but I need 15. Okay, so I will try 5. I know some students already got the answer, but we are just explaining how to get this 15. When you add, okay, this time it's 15. That means the value of one mango is 5. But actually 15 is easy, no? 5 plus 5 plus 5. Most of you know. So mango value is 5. What will be the peach? Pear. So 5 plus which number is 23? We can subtract. 23 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is not possible. We need the help of 2. 2 becomes 1. 3 becomes 13. So 8 and then 1, 18. So this group together should be 18 and there are 2 fruits. So the half of 18, which is 9. So 9 and 9. So the mango is 5 and the pear is 9. Okay, so there will be a clue like this to figure out one value first. Whether it be a fruits picture or it's be a flower picture, it's be a star or shape or whatever, there will be a clue for you to begin. Try repeated addition or try multiplication. 4 times 3, 12, not working. 5 times 3, 15. Yeah, it's working. So it's 5, 5, 5. Think and do. So all the important topics we have discussed, you yourself change the number and practice. Study the place value, study multiplication table, very important. Study subtraction, study regrouping, all the topics are important. Also study the number line, how to draw the number line, where is positive numbers, where is negative numbers, how to move. When you move to the right side it's positive, when you move to the left side it's negative. Study all the basic rules which we described here. Okay, all the best. Thank you.